Here at Eco, our 93 yards free drain clearing deal is one of our most popular services and also one of the most misunderstood. We hear everything from slight confusion to this must be a bait and switch. Honestly, it's not that complicated. And today, I'm here to clear it up.
Get Eco.
Hello, I'm Aaron with Eco Plumbers, Electricians and HVAC Technicians. Today, I'm breaking down exactly what our 93 or free drain clearing deal is and what it isn't, so you can decide for yourself whether this is the right option for your home. Let's get into it. Here's how it works. For $93, we guarantee to clear one drain in your home using our standard drain clearing method. This could be a bathtub, a sink, a kitchen drain, all the way down to your main sewer line. If we can't get the drain flowing again after 2 attempts, the visit is completely free. And for the main line, once it's cleared, we'll perform a free camera inspection, and then you'll have our guarantee it'll stay clog-free for 1 year. If it doesn't, we'll come back one additional time and clear it again at no cost. Now, when we say clearing, what that means is getting things flowing, not fully scrubbing and restoring the inside of the pipe. That's a cleaning. There's a big difference. Drains can clog for a lot of reasons, and the permanent fix depends on the underlying issue. Take older homes for an example. If your home was built before 1990s, there's a good chance your main sewer line is made of clay pipe. Clay pipe connects sections with little joints. Perfect place for tree roots to grow in and clog your sewer line. Over time, the clay can also crack or collapse. In those cases, clearing the line might help temporarily, but a permanent fix usually means root removal or even full replacement. And yes, it's definitely more than $93, but we want you to understand why. So here's what you can expect during our visit. We use specialized equipment to make every effort to clear your sewer line or secondary drain line, up to 2 full passes through the line. For sewer lines, once it's flowing, we perform a camera inspection to verify the line is clear and to look for any underlying issues. If we do find something more serious, we'll show you exactly what we see, explain exactly what it is and what the permanent solutions are, and provide straightforward pricing, and you decide what happens next. And of course, your 1-year clog-free guarantee includes 1 additional clearing if the same drain clogs again. To take advantage of this deal, here's a few things to keep in mind. The offer is valid for single-family residential homes only. The drain must be accessible. We may decline service on sewer drains with severe recurring issues. Includes sewer line clearing up to 75 feet and secondary lines up to 30 feet. Includes 2 passes through the drain line. Not all drains can be cleared. Roots, collapsed lines, soil movement, and material defects can all be factors. Not valid for rental or landlord-tenant properties. Not valid for commercial properties. Can't be combined with other discounts. Valid only during normal business hours. Additional restrictions may apply. Please discuss this with your technician. If you feel like the 93 free drain clearing deal is right for you, you can schedule your appointment by giving us a call or booking online at geteco.com. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more transparent home service videos that break down what you want and need to know. Drop any questions you have in the comment section. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.